very strong and very potent. So of course, if you use it properly, you can make a world of a difference for your family. Now, if you do it in a wrong way, it could be a rush to the ER, which is what we want to avoid. So in this video, we'll talk about safety, basic safety when it comes to using your essential oils. So number one tip, never ever put the essential oils inside your eyes, ears, or nose. I don't care what everyone says, I don't care what the internet says. You should not put the oils inside your eyes, ears, or nose because essential oils has the power to melt your membranes, and we don't want to find out what happens next. So you might be wondering, what if I have an eye issue? What if I have an ear infection? How do I address it? You can use essential oil around the area instead. That is a safer way. Now, if you're talking about using essential oils that are naturally hot, like cassia, cinnamon, black pepper, those oils, if you use pure on the skin, it can cause your skin to be a little red and inflamed, and it'll sting and hurt. Okay. So the second tip in terms of safety is dilution. If you're using oils that are hot oils, if you're using oils for sensitive skin, for the elderly, for very young children, then you need to dilute. When we talk about dilution, it means mixing your essential oils with a carrier oil. So a carrier oil can be fractionated coconut oil, it can be BCO, almond oil, jojoba, and technically cooking oil can be too. It just depends on your preference. For us, we really like doTerra's fractionated coconut oil because it's very light on the skin and it is absorbed very quickly. So that makes it a perfect carrier oil in terms of carrying the essential oil into our body. We love the FCO because it has no smell, therefore it does not interfere with the smell of your essential oil. Now, earlier I talked about hot oils and you might be wondering, what are they? Hot oils are oils that if you apply pure onto the skin can cause a stinging and painful sensation. So hot oils include cinnamon, black pepper, cassia, and the such, even oregano. So with those oils, you do not use it neat. You want to mix it with a carrier oil. So what happens if you accidentally forget an oil is hot and put it pure on the skin? What happens if you accidentally rub your eyes and get some oil into your eye? What do you do? So in the event that happens, do not ever wash the area with water, because sometimes the essential oil can react to the water, causing the air to be more inflamed and painful. Your solution to such an accident is to douse the area with your carrier oil. So yes, if you get some oil into your eye, some peppermint oil, then your solution is to douse your eye with the carrier oil. It might sound scary at first, but it's a literal lifesaver and it will take the pain away in an instant. So in the event that you have a pre-existing medical condition, if you are taking medication on the long term, then please do check with your doctor before using the essential oil, especially when it comes to topical or internal use. Because some oils that are not safe for you can interfere with your medication, and we don't want that. Okay? So if you take note of these 3 safety tips, then you should be good on your way into changing your family's life.